Now, this is my Amazon Echo Show that I got back in December for Christmas as a gift. And starting in early March, it began making a popping noise every time the audio would switch on and switch off. I contacted Amazon, and after having done some diagnostics on it, they had me send it back to be repaired. It came back repaired, but no change in how the audio behaves. And as I've been using it longer and longer, the popping has been getting louder and louder, such that if I change the volume here and it makes a little tone, you'll hear the popping noise. Now what's interesting is if I connect a Bluetooth speaker to this unit, there is no popping noise in the Bluetooth audio. It's only when the internal audio amplifier on this Echo Show is activated that the popping happens. So whatever this problem is, it's getting worse, and I suspect at some point this thing's going to fail spectacularly. What Amazon will do then, I have no idea.